Hello, Jen Tozer, your portfolio manager here, to talk about the different types of investment accounts that you might have. So the three most common types are the RSP, the tax-free savings account, which is also called the TFSA, and then the non-registered account. And the non-registered account might be referred to as a cash account, an open account, or a margin account. Now, what does this mean? Does it mean that you have to have different investments or different types of investments in these different types of accounts? No, it doesn't. The biggest difference between these accounts is what's the tax treatment of the money, are there refunds, are there limits? And so here's a little graph to take us through and talk about them. So let's talk about the first thing. Do you get a refund? Yes, you do if you put your money in your RSP. You know you make a contribution and you get a refund. You do not get one if you put it in the non-registered or the TFSA account. The second question is, what about tax-free growth? Well, yes, in your RSP, you get tax-free growth. You do not get tax-free growth in your non-registered account. As the dividends and interest comes in, or as you sell the positions, you pay the tax. And then finally in the TFSA, yes, you get tax-free growth. Next question, what about tax-free withdrawals? Well, not in the RSP. When you take money out of the RSP, you actually have to put it into your income. In your non-registered account, you don't pay tax when you take the money out. Remember, you paid it as you went along. And finally, in the tax-free savings account, you don't pay any tax when you take the money out. And then the final question is, are there any limits to how much you could put into each type of account? And yes, there are. There are limits on how much you could put into your RSP, and there are limits to how much you could put into your TFSA, but there are no limits to how much you can put into your non-registered account. So I hope that answers your questions. If you have any other questions, give us a call. We'll be happy to clarify. We're here.